Hello friends, my name is Ajay Koth. Today topic is garbage collection. In a Java, garbage collection is a mechanism that is provide the automatically memory management. It is done by the JVM. It need to the handle object location and dislocation by the program. In the previous section, we have also discussed how the garbage collection works. It you are not introduced to the garbage collection, we suggest the first to go through the garbage collection. Java have the memory management. In this section, we have discussed the type of garbage collection in Java. Type of garbage collection. There are the four type of the garbage collector in the Java can be used to according to the requirement. First one is the serial garbage collector. Second is the parallel garbage collector. Third is the SMS garbage collector. Fourth is the garbage first GM garbage collector. The program performance and working of the each garbage collector are the completely different. It has the one of the Java along as to the choice of the any garbage collector that is the based on the JVM for each section of the GS. You need to the passes of the JVM agreement. It is difficult to select the right of garbage collector of the application. It's the discuss of the garbage collector by one. First one is the serial garbage collector. Serial garbage collector, it will the method of the single threaded environment. It use of the only threaded the garbage collector. It work by the holding and thread of the application. It means that the threaded of the application freeze by the serial garbage collector during the garbage collection process, and process is known as the stop and word event. Avoid the use of serial SG in the survey environment. We can use for the simple program if you want to use the serial garbage collector. Second point is the parallel garbage collector. Parallel garbage collector is the difficult of the CS used of the GAM. The working of the parallel garbage collector is the same of the serial garbage collector. The only difference between the serial and the parallel garbage collector is that the serial garbage collector use a single threaded of the garbage collection process, while the parallel garbage collector use of the multiple threaded of the garbage collection. Parallel GC can be multiple CPUs to the speed of the application through the, so it is also known as a throughput collector. It is used if you want to extend the long process like batch processing and where along the process of the extendable, and if you want to do parallel garbage collector. Second point is the push time. The gap between the two GS and throughout put target. The time of the speed is during the garbage collection. Various of the time speed outside the garbage collection is the called as the through output target. And second point is the CMS garbage collector. CMS uses the multiple threaded that the scan and the help of the during the scanning. It is mark of the instance of the after scanning. It is does not freeze of the application threaded during the garbage collection. GS threaded of the currently extended with the application thread for the reason of use of more CPU in the compression of the GS. It is also known as the low push collector. It is also freeze all the threaded of the application only of the following to serialize, will making the reference object of the third generation. If the any changes of made to the any heap memory of the parallel during the garbage collection process, we can of the multiple SPUs of the better application through output. We should use of the CMS garbage collector if you more the CPUs for the use, since it is the advantages of parallel garbage collector if you went to CVM garbage collector. And last point is the garbage first G1 garbage collection. The G1 garbage collection is used if you have a large more than 4 GB memory. It divided the heap into the equal sized. Check the properties, then the purpose of the parallel garbage collection on it is check the based on the property. The ends of the cellular and old area of the equal sized region for the memory location of the object. Apart from this memory region, there are the two more type of the region of the GNCS of the homogeneous. It is used to the object size of the large available. It is a represent the phase. G1 GS so is the co-current global marking phase of the determine the live in the details object throughout the heap. After the completion of the mark phase, G1 is collected the information of the region that continues the most garbage object. After that, use of the region for the step first. If you went to the G1 garbage collector, executed the XX plus use G1 GS use of agreement to the achieved it.